guys, I am Daud and today we are doing an unboxing video. We ordered a science kit from Ace Labs. Let's open it and see what's inside. Do like this. Wow! It is so cool. It has a volcano and some science. The package says Ace Labs Educational Technology, Crazy Chemistry, Science, Just Got Fun. And it says something on the back of it too, and they are saying that thank you for ordering this package, and it says here proudly made in Pakistan. We can open it like this. Like it opens from here. Oh my god! It has a book that tells you how to do it and what science experiments are in this. This box has all the stuff that is required to do all the science experiments. Let's start. This is baking soda. And this is citric acid. These are the litmus papers. This soap is the red food coloring. This is the blue food coloring, and this is the green food coloring. They come with these things with 2 candles, a plastic beaker. It has 4 test tubes. It has 5 test tubes and 2 droppers. It comes with straws. It has a mixing stick. It has a funnel, a tiny spoon, some balloons, and wow, it even comes with a mold that we can do the volcano experiment. And these are test tube holders. I am so excited to do all of these experiments. I am challenging myself all 20 experiments that can be done through this kit. If you want to see me doing all of these 20 experiments, please like and subscribe to my my channel. Thoughts with Miss Anam. See you later. Bye bye.